Your idea could be your ticket to Europe. Latvia Startup Visa makes it possible. Latvia connects your innovation to the European market with its Startup Visa, a true launchpad for founders. You'll need an innovative business idea and a strong business plan to qualify for Latvia's Startup Visa. Applicants must prove they have the necessary funds. This ensures your startup can take off smoothly. The application process is straightforward, with clear online steps to submit your idea and documentation. Latvia's Startup Visa often includes residency permits for founders and their close family members. Join a thriving startup ecosystem. Latvia offers mentorship, events, and networking opportunities for entrepreneurs. There are opportunities to meet local investors who actively support promising new businesses in Latvia. Riga blends rich European heritage with a forward-thinking business climate, ideal for growing startups. Benefit from startup workshops and accelerators designed to help you sharpen your business skills in Latvia. Many startups have grown rapidly with Latvia's support, using the visa as a springboard to European success. Enjoy a great quality of life in Latvia's safe, vibrant cities, ideal for both entrepreneurs and families. Latvia's welcoming business culture makes it easy to build valuable partnerships and grow your network. With Latvia's Startup Visa, your company gains direct access to the entire European Union market. Your entrepreneurial journey in Europe starts here. Subscribe for more guides and take your idea global.